This video is going to show you how to make an online payment to the IRS. In the search bar of your favorite web browser, type in irs.gov/payments. Once on the payment screen, you'll want to click Direct Pay with Bank Account. You do have an option to pay with a credit or debit card. However, you will be charged additional fees to pay that way. You will then be given a choice between making a payment towards your personal taxes or your business taxes. Step 1 is the tax information screen. Here you will select the appropriate payment type and the reason for your payment. In step 2, you will verify your identity. Please note, if you choose married filing jointly, you should use the primary spouse's information as shown on the tax return. You will need to enter the primary spouse's name, social security number, and date of birth. Step 3 is entering your banking information. You'll put in the payment amount, confirm that amount. Next, you will enter your routing and account number. Click whether it's a checking or savings account. Then you will enter your email address so the IRS can send you a payment confirmation. Step 4 is for reviewing and electronically signing. And step 5 is where you'll be recording your online confirmation. That's it. It's as simple as that. That is how you make an online payment to the IRS without even having to make an online account.